Getting that promotion at work must feel good. Why not celebrate by moving to Somerset Hills? Open houses are being held every Saturday and Sunday from 12 to 4.
To start off your meal, I recommend a fresh garden salad with your choice of dressing. All of our vegetables are bought fresh from local farms. I'll give you some time to look over the menu and decide, but may I start you off with some drinks?
Administrative officers in charge of One Village, One Nation movement in Malawi came all the way from Africa to visit Japan, the home of the Ew01 movement. They were invited as trainees of the Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA, which supports the Ew01 movement. Everywhere you go, you get a different opinion and a different point of view. And when you talk to 125 million people all over the planet, you'd be amazed at what you learn. We have learned that the more you look at difference as potential...
But this is disgraceful. Is this the way you neglect your most sacred duties?
What do you consider is my most sacred duty?
Do I have to tell you that? Isn't your duty to your husband and children?
I have another duty just as sacred.
Once upon a time, in a faraway land, lived a girl who dreamed of being a princess. Will her dream come true? Let's see.
But I'm the grandmother of that little girl, and I'm going to stop her dream from coming true.
15 people were injured, including at least 5 firefighters, when 2 fire trucks collided in a New York suburb December 22nd, sending one careening across a sidewalk and into a convenience store. One of the victims was in critical condition, officials said. The crash on a busy commercial strip left one truck embedded in the store, with shattered glass and rubble heaped on the sidewalk. Chairs and tables were scattered inside.